Navis IndoorViewer lets you convert E57 point clouds captured by static laser scanners into realistic web-based 3D buildings. Simply upload a structured E57 point cloud file with RGB info, and Navis IndoorViewer will automatically generate realistic 360-degree images that are combined with the point cloud for a fully immersive 3D experience that gives your customers an entirely new way to interact with scan data.
With the new E57 import, we're able to merge those two data sets right inside the IndoorViewer browser. We can upload the E57 and it generates a panoramic image that's colored, and it looks almost indistinguishable from the mobile mapping panoramic images. It's very easy to do.
This feature is compatible with Navis IndoorViewer's interactive functionality that lets users move around scan spaces as if they are on site, take measurements, search for information, and even add and manage geotagged multimedia content that can be viewed in browser and shared as a link. Find out more about Navis IndoorViewer and get a 30-day free trial at www.navis.com/IndoorViewer.